Hi everyone, welcome to SQL Learning Series. We are starting the SQL Learning Series from the very beginning, from the very scratch. So if you want to learn SQL from the beginning, from the scratch, then this is the right video for you. What is SQL? So without wasting any time, let me start. What is SQL? SQL is nothing but structure query language. Now in structure query language, we have sub languages as well. First one is DDL. Then we have DML, DQL, TCL and DCL, right? What is DDL? We have a proper bifurcation available. Now in DDL, which is also known as a data definition language. In data definition language, we have create, alter, truncate and drop. This is an interview question that what comes under DDL, DML and DQL. So next is what is DML? DML is data manipulation language. In data manipulation language, we have insert, update and delete. You can insert your data, you can update your data and you can delete your data. Don't worry, we will be performing practicals also. All the commands will be performing on the practical so that you can understand the code in a better way. What is DQL? DQL is your select query, the way you can select your data. What is TCL? TCL is transaction control language. In transaction control language, you have commit, rollback and save point, right? Save point is really important. This is also comes in the interview, that what exactly do you mean by save point. So we'll learn this also by practical. Now the next is DCL. What is DCL? DCL is data control language. In data control language, you have grant and revoke. So you can grant certain accesses to the user and you can revoke the accesses from the user. All right. Now in the next video, we'll try to learn that how you can install Oracle database server and how you can install the database client. You need to install server as well, and then you need to install client as well. Once both the software are installed, then we will be learning that how you can make a connection. Till then, happy learning. We'll see you in the next video.